Hello everyone. Welcome to Best Brand Picks by SustainCart. At SustainCart, we carefully audit the brands as we onboard them and continue to keep a check on the quality measures to ensure happy shopping experience for our customers. We have discovered a genuine, healthy and sustainable brand, Dhanavantri. Stress and anxiety has become mainstays of modern living, with most folks experiencing it so frequently that they fail to notice its occurrence. Some people even incorrectly believe that stress keeps them focused and on their toes. Case in point, last-minute exam revisions. However, prolonged periods of stress without any respite can break down your body and put your mental faculties in a twist. The body responds in different ways when faced by a challenge, but the result may not always be for the best in the long run. But there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and it was lit by our ancestors centuries back. Dhanavantri's Mahagamana Churnam is the medicine for the job. The holistic approach of Ayurveda suggests that when our doshas are imbalanced, our mind and body are not in sync, and thus we experience increased levels of stress and anxiety. This Churnam eradicates the problem from its roots by setting the doshas right. It works on 8 types of Vata issues, 40 types of Pitta issues, and 96 types of Kapha issues. It cures neurological problems, keeps the liver healthy, takes care of the stomach, and treats skin diseases. It also solves white discharge problems. 60% of menstruating women face the issue. There are 3 variants in the Mahagamana. One for stress and anxiety, the second one for thyroid, and the third for liver pro. Another product I recommend is Bahubala. The primary purpose of Bahubala is strengthening the body, and it's available in 2 varieties, Power Kid and Muscle Pro. The former is suited for children and helps in development, while the latter is ideal for adults. The health benefits of consuming Bahubala include strengthening the body, improves memory. Bahubala is recommended for children as some of its ingredients assist in the development of the brain. This will help in improving the memory power of children and keep conditions like dementia at bay for adults. It also helps aid immunity, strengthens the nervous system. The Layam can help in development of the nerves and assist children develop quicker reaction times. Bahubala can delay the onset of many neurological illnesses and should be consumed regularly by those at risk. Increase hemoglobin. It purifies blood. It corrects hormonal imbalance and rejuvenates skin. Exposure to outdoor pollution can severely damage the skin. Bahubala can help the skin regain its glow. Moreover, it promotes the growth of new skin cells to replace the old worn-out ones. Although the primary purpose of Bahubala Layam is to improve the vitality of the body, it goes above and beyond that. Its versatile health benefits, coupled with the backing of centuries worth of Ayurvedic tradition, makes the Layam one of the foremost choices for a wellness supplement. Since SustainCart has audited the product, we recommend that you try this sustainable brand Dhanavantri. Dhanavantri is now available on SustainCart. Next time, we will bring to you another sustainable and genuine brand on Best Brand Picks by SustainCart. Until then, take care. See you all soon. Signing off, Shilpa Reddy.